Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian vegetable stew recipe with you. As you can see from your screens, this stew looks super good and absolutely delicious. You'll love this recipe. So all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Do wait to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. I already have my pot heating up, so next I'll go in with some cooking oil. Feel free to use any cooking oil of your choice. And whilst the oil is nice and well heated, I'll go in with some chopped onions. I'll allow the onions to loosen up a little bit, and whilst that is done, I'll also go in with some garlic ginger paste, which will definitely add good flavors to the stew as well. Moving forward, I'll go in with some tomato paste. Now for the tomato paste, you can also omit it and use the fresh one, and trust me, it works perfectly fine as well. I will give everything a very good stir, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And for today's recipe, I'm not going to be using fresh pepper. I'll be using powdered pepper, so I'll add in the powdered pepper. And I'm using Kivo hot pepper, so a little bit of it goes a very long way, so kindly note it. You can also use the fresh one if that is what you prefer. Okay, let's give everything a good stir. We will cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and well cooked. As always, remember to keep an eye on it and check it from time to time. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. And if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing vegetable stew as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so I've been cooking the stew for about 20 minutes now, and it looks super good and well cooked. So moving forward, I'll go in with my seasoning of choice. And for seasoning, I'll be going in with some stew seasoning powder and also some shrimp cube. Use any seasoning of your choice. Don't forget as well to go in with some salt to taste. The seasonings are always to your taste. Okay, give everything a very good stir. We will cover it for about 10 minutes for the seasonings to also cook down a little bit. We are back again to check on the stew, and this time around the seasonings are also well cooked, so I'll go in with my protein of choice, which I'll be using some sausages and also some mackerel in tomato sauce. Use any protein of your choice. Next, I'll rinse my bowl a little bit because why not? I'm not leaving anything out today. Okay, let's stir everything together very nicely. We will cover it again for about 10 minutes on a low medium heat until the meat also incorporates very well with the stew. So now let's cover it and allow it to do its own thing. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still followed me on all social media platforms, what are you waiting for? Kindly do follow me on all social media platforms, because trust me, I have amazing content to share with you over there as well. So do follow me on all social media platforms at Cooking with Efia. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so next we're going to go in with our vegetables, and for my vegetable of choice I'll be using some cucumbers, carrots, green pepper, and also I have some cabbage which I'll be going in with it later because I don't love soft veggies, as I always say. Okay, so now let's give everything a very cool stir. We'll cover it on low medium heat and allow it to do its own thing for about 10 minutes, and it should be ready. Whilst that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still done that yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you do subscribe to my channel? Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so I've been cooking the vegetables for about 10 minutes now, and this is how it looks like. It looks super good. Now it's time for me to go in with my chopped cabbage. I love to go in with the cabbage last because cabbage tend to loosen up very easily, and as I always say, I don't love soft veggies. So if you really want yours to become very soft, especially when you're cooking this for kids, and sometimes they will try to remove it, so if you don't want any wahala, you want your kids to enjoy this meal very well, try to cook down the vegetables so that it will really becomes very soft for them also to enjoy as well. Now let's give everything a very good stir. We will cover it on low medium heat for about 10 minutes and the stew should be ready. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this vegetable stew in the comment section, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comments down below. I enjoyed this vegetable stew with rice. You can also enjoy this with yam, and you are definitely going to love it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.